Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here, and if you are, make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and just like stick around for all my videos and whatnot. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a bikini try-on haul. You guys know, if you watch my channel, I like to do a lot of these kinds of videos, you know. There's so many awesome online shops for like bathing suits and like swimwear and all that, but you never really know like what they're like without touching and feeling them, trying them on, all that stuff. And like bathing suits can go so right or so wrong so fast. So that's why I really enjoy these types of videos, and spring break is right around the corner, so it's perfect. And without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So this video is sponsored by Lali and Layla. Hope I said those right. The swimwear company. You can find them on Instagram, and their website, all that stuff will be linked down below, as well as direct links to all of these items that I'm going to be showing you guys today, and like sizing, my size, and everything, so you kind of know how you want to like order your swimsuits. And they have so many adorable colors and prints. I really enjoy their website. They organize it like you can search by the style of like the top or bottom, or you can search by the print, and it's just like, I love that. It's got like all that organization. It makes my heart just like pitter patter. I love organized online shopping. It makes things so much better, you know? So I don't know, that's just a weird quirky thing that I just really enjoyed about like shopping with them, so I thought I'd share it. I don't know. But we're gonna jump right into it with this first bathing suit. I'll put like the actual name of it and like the color on the screen here so you guys know, as well as everything, like I said, will be linked in the description down below, so you can just easily find whatever caught your eye, you know. So for this first one, it is this really cute suit. I want to say like the name of the print is like something along the lines of groovy, because it just like caught my attention. So there's these bottoms, and they're like a high leg thong bottom. I really like cheeky, like thongish kind of bathing suits. I just really hate tan lines and everything, and like I work for my booty. Like I work out a lot to make it look good, so like I'm gonna show it off, because you know one day I'm gonna be old and wrinkly and it's not gonna be cute anymore, so like seize the day, you know what I mean? But these bottoms are so cute and so comfy. This is in a size small. It's also reversible. I still have the thing on here. It's also reversible, so you could wear it like as black, or the really awesome cute groovy pattern you got here. I've never like owned a bathing suit with this like cool striped pattern, so I'm like really obsessed with this one. And then the top that they gave me for this guy is just a straight across top like so. The straps are not adjustable, but they fit me just fine. This top is in a size medium. Yeah, this top is in a size medium, so for reference, I'm a size 32D in bras, and so I got the medium top, and it fits so perfectly. You can kind of like pull it up if you want some under boob action, but with this one I like it just laying flat. And then it came with like this little string guy here like tied around the top, so I believe like that's to style it like kind of like a tie front top if you want, which is also really, really cute. And this suit also came with a matching headband, which is so adorable. That's such a cute little touch, so that's awesome. And obviously you can wear it with the suit to have like a really matchy day at the beach, or like wear it casually. This next suit I am super obsessed with. Also, just like a note on like the quality. The quality is there, let me tell you. Both the tops and the bottoms are like double lined with the fabric, so like no see-through stuff is gonna happen. Like you're gonna be good, you're covered, you know? For as little coverage as there is, you're still covered, which is what I like. So I got these bottoms here. They're super cute. They like scrunch as you like kind of, you could pull this in and it'll scrunch more, and then it has the 2 double string sides to it. So these look super cute, like really pulled up high on the hip. And then these ones are also reversible as well, which I really love because I just love a good plain black bottom. Like, so just classic, you know? So this is going to be really good for like tanning in and everything. And this pattern on the outside is just like polka dots with cherries. So adorable. And the matching top that I picked out with this one is just a red top. I've been like really digging red. I feel like I've like kind of noticed that red does look good on me, so now I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get everything in red, like just everything. So this red top, it's super flattering. Looking at it, I was like, okay, there's no way the girls are gonna fit in this, but actually it fits very nicely. It's nice and stretchy. The straps are actually, you tie them yourself, which is really nice. So if you need more support, tie them tighter. If like you're chilling, then just like tie them how you want. So I really like that feature, and this little keyhole cutout thing right here. It's just like super flattering. And this I also got in a medium, and these bottoms I got in a medium because I asked like my point of contact with the company. I was like, I don't know what kind of bottoms, like what size I am, because I have smaller waist, but like the booty is big, and so they suggested I get a medium in these bottoms specifically, and actually they fit so nice. So like the strings don't dig into your hips and then make you look like you're falling out of like your bottoms, you know? So I'm really glad I went with that because it helps the strings not to like dig into me and make me feel insecure. This next set that I got is actually something that I wouldn't have picked out personally, but they like sent it to me with like the ones that I did pick out, and I actually really like it a lot. So it is this light blue gingham print, and its top and the bottom are the same. It's like the same kind of thing. It's reversible as well, so like there's like this blue, so if I want to like mix and match the bottoms with like print and a solid, or like solid and print, or like whatever, you know, like you could do that, which is just something I really love about this swimwear line, is you kind of get like 2 suits in one. I dig it. Anyways, so these bottoms that they sent me are a different style. They have a tiny bit more coverage on the bum, but it's still pretty cheeky, and like my booty especially, just like everything's gonna be cheeky on me, I feel like, you know? I never win in the full coverage department with my butt. They are a little bit more full coverage than like these bottoms. You can just see the cut. There's some more to it. So I really enjoy having this option of just having something a little bit more full coverage. It's still super cheeky on me, but it's just like a little bit more fabric is there. So like makes it a little bit more acceptable. You know what I mean? And then the top actually I really like. So it's just like this straight across like swoop neck. You can wear it from both the, like, I don't even know what the front or the back would be considered, but you could wear it this way and have more coverage like for the girls, or you could wear it this way where there's this cutout, and right in this cutout you get like a super flattering like under boob effect. And like I thought I wasn't going to be a fan of this, but when I was trying these all on, I was like, wait, okay, I kind of dig this. And this top is actually in a size small, which I thought that I would be like a medium or something, but it still fits very nice. It's super comfortable. If I do wear it like with this under boob option, I don't feel like I'm gonna fall out anywhere. Like no wardrobe malfunctions here, okay? So I actually really do enjoy this little set, and these bottoms are a small as well, and they fit just fine. And then it also came with a scrunchie. Like how cute. Like I love scrunchies. So this is gonna be like my like super girly like swimsuit little outfit, you know. Okay, and last but not least is my more like edgy like sister on the beach kind of vibe. So I got these bottoms. They're in the same style as like the groovy stripe ones we have here, and they're reversible as well. So they're just like, you know, that dope totally edgy, like checkered print. Like, hello, I'm here, I love this. And I can mix and match this with like this guy or like the top that I did get with it. But I'm just really obsessed with these. They fit me so nice. These are a small as well, same as the striped ones because they're the same bottoms. And then the top that I got with it is like, okay, it's very hard to explain. I'm going to put photos of like different ways I've seen this top styled by like on their Instagram and like the website and whatnot. So it's like you basically have these stars on your boobs, right? And then you got a string at each point of the star. So like you could see here I put this for like my head hole, but then you could just like go crazy and really tie this top however you want. I will say though that this is like not a super like appropriate, like it's a little bit more PG-13 rated rather than like PG. So this would definitely be like a pool party top or like, you know, having a really like edgy day on the beach. But like if you don't want weird tan lines, don't wear this for like when you're laying out, you know. So this is definitely like gonna be my party option, you know. It's just got that vibe. I could even like wear this for Coachella. This could be like a festival like look, you know. So I really do like this. It's really cool. Also, when it's tied all right, it doesn't feel like I'm gonna fall out of this one either. It's super nice quality. The strings are hella long, so like the options of styling this are endless. And this top is a small as well. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All the information for Lali and Layla, the swimwear, everything will be down below. Direct links to all these ones that I got. So don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. And follow me on Instagram so you can see all my live updates. You'll see photos of me rocking these bikinis over spring break, you know, because like spring break is coming up. So thank you, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. New video every Wednesday, sometimes Thursday, because life happens. I love you guys, bye.